I'm here today with my Ipsy, what do they call this baby? Ipsy Plus Glam Bag, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I did one of these last month and was super impressed with what came in it. They do cost $25, which is what I found out. I wasn't sure of the price when that first video went up because they didn't give us very much information, but it's $25 and you get a lot of good full-size products. So this just came in the mail. I think mine must have been delivered a little bit late because we're like halfway through October. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got in my Glam Bag Plus. Now, I think it's every other month or every third month you get a bag, but for some reason this one had a bag. My guess is because it just launched. October is the first month that you could get it. So anyways, you get a little pamphlet in here that says welcome to Glam Bag Plus, and it tells you get 5 full-size products, a Luxe makeup clutch every 3 shipments. And it tells you a little bit about all the different products that are in here. So again, $25. Does it tell you the price of each product? So it doesn't tell you the price of each product, so I'll try to look them up and let you guys know what they are. But I'm going to share with you guys what came in this month's box. It's the same bag that came last month, but last month was I think like the blogger box that was sent out to show the new service that they were having. So this is the first box that you could get just as like a normal consumer. So that's why I'm assuming it came with the same bag. So the bag is really nice. It has like a very, very soft kind of leather feel, and then it has this really cute little pocket in the front, and you can fit a lot in this little bag. So that came in it, so that should come in your October bag as well. The Pure Lease Blue Lotus Mud Mask and Exfoliant. I have tried a lot of things from Pure Lease and I really like it. So this one says brightens, detoxifies, tightens, and smooths. And I've tried their cleansers. They're very gentle cleansers. And so you get a full size here. Let's see. And it's just a mud and exfoliating mask. White clay in it, bamboo, ginger, mushroom, white tea, rice, bran water. I like stuff like this, especially when I'm pregnant, because there's certain products I can't use. So it's just a mud mask, and then you leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it off. So I'm excited about that. I know that their products are kind of middle range. They're not super inexpensive, but they're not like Tatcha price range. So there's that. Box Cover Shot Palette. This one is the Bold Glitter Eye Palette, which I'm probably not going to swatch this one because I think I already have this that was sent to me in Smashbox PR, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. And that's really pretty. Yeah, I already own this one. But they're really pretty glitter shadows, so I think these colors are appropriate for the fall. They're very jewel toned and really pretty. And I want to say these range somewhere in like the $20 range. So that I think is really pretty, and if you love glitter shadows, you'll probably really enjoy that. We got this Beauty by Pop Sugar Tinted Lip Balm in Blush Crush. I've not tried, I think I've tried one thing from this brand. You can get it at Ulta, and it was a lip gloss that I didn't like, but this is a lip balm, and it seems, that's a really pretty color. It has a slight like kind of vanilla scent to it, and I think that's really pretty. So that comes in there, and I know these are kind of middle range products as well. They were a little bit more expensive at Ulta than I had expected this brand to be, a Pop Sugar brand, but it has SPF 15 in it. The Ico Skinny Liquid Liner in black. I cannot remember if I've ever tried an Ico liner. I know that a lot of people really love Ico products, so I'm excited. Precise, smudge proof, and pitch black. That's what I like in a liner. So let's give it a swatch here. That's a really nice black line. So, and it's not bleeding, which is really, really nice. So we'll let that dry and see if it's more of a shiny finish or if it is a matte finish, because I don't know if the box says. Oh, vinyl black color. So it might have a little bit of a sheen to it, which not my favorite. I like a matte black, but it is a very dark black. Just depends if you like a matte or a more shiny color. Morphe highlight. I've not tried their highlights before. This one is in Extra. I'm excited because, or Get Lit. I think this one's maybe called Get Lit. I have not tried any of Morphe's highlights before, so let's see here. Oh, that's pretty. I think that would look good on my skin tone. I also have a tutorial for this look if you guys are interested. It's in like a really quick, easy, my mom makeup look. Well, that's pretty. Kind of seems a little subtle. Let's I have a brush here. Where's my highlight brush? And we can try it out and see. I already have some highlighter on, but let's see if that does anything spectacular. Oh yeah, I mean, that definitely added some intensity. That is really pretty. So I'm excited about that because I had been wanting to try, I gotta actually tone this down a little bit. I've been wanting to try these blush or these highlights, but I just hadn't bit the bullet and bought one yet. So I like that. That is an extra. This says extra, but then it said get lit. So I'm not sure which it is. Ooh, look at that. We got some sun coming in here. The last product, which I'm so excited about because I freaking love this mascara, the Man Eater by Tarte. Oh, this mascara is so good. I have actually bought this a few times, so I was really excited when I opened the box and saw that this mascara is in there because it's a really, really good mascara. You guys know I usually like a more natural bristle wand. This one actually has a rubber one, but I don't mind it because I like the mascara that much. So I was really excited to see that in here. So I think this is a good box. I know I saw a lot of comments saying that they only send these boxes to bloggers and then what the consumer actually gets is like not anywhere close to that. So I hope that that's not true. I hope that what I got is the same kind of stuff that you get in your box. They may vary slightly because you do fill out an online quiz about your skin tone, your skin color, your skin type, your hair color, all of that, so that they try to do products that match your specific taste and obviously appearance. So some of the things may be a little bit different as far as that goes. So some colors that I get may be different than yours, but I hope overall the products are pretty similar. Now that this liner has dried, it's actually quite matte. So it says it's a vinyl, but I'm not really seeing a real shine to it or anything. So I really love that. So I'm very impressed. I will use pretty much everything out of this box except for that eyeshadow palette because I already own it. But I'm really impressed. Have you guys picked this up? Did you guys get your October box? Let me know what you guys got in your box down in the comments below. Did you get similar products? I really hope that they are sending 5 to 6 really nice full-size products to everybody and that it's not just bloggers getting nice boxes and you guys not getting good boxes. So please let us know in the comments below because I don't know unless you guys tell me. So let me know down below and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!